Hello, hi guys and welcome to the cupboard, and we're going to be looking at a wireless speaker from Aukey. As ever, links will be down in the description box below here, but Aukey SKS1 wireless speaker. So we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. It's like a big bar of chocolate. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Resembles an actual speaker. So let's lift it out. It actually feels pretty hefty, to be honest, pretty sturdy, and I'm guessing we've just got some cables and some reading material in here. Nothing else in there. Aukey branded USB type A connector to micro USB there. A 3.5mm audio jack on both sides. Aukey user manual and a product warranty guide. So this nice soft cellophane on here, and it does feel super hefty. So, and whoa, that actually feels really nice. So if we take a deeper look, Aukey branded kind of gunmetal kind of finish here. Hopefully the camera's picking up on some of that texture. That feels really good. And if you can see across here, if I pan the camera across, you got a call pickup and call end, I'm presuming, volume up and down, and forward, back tracks, play, pause, Aukey branding, what looks to be an LED there. And across the front, got this gorgeous mesh material in this kind of, again, gunmetal grey colour. Underneath, just a rubber mat so it doesn't slide around. I like the attention to detail there. And this mesh wraps all the way around across both sides here. Let's play some music here. So I've been using this thing for a couple of weeks now, and the build quality from all Aukey products is second to none, and this thing is no different. It doesn't slip around. Wherever you put it, it just stays put, and it doesn't look cheap or feel cheap in the hand. And better than the build quality, well, I suppose they go hand in hand, is the sound quality. There's a very rich and full sound coming out of this thing, considering how small it actually is. Now, the highs don't seem to be tinny at all, which can sometimes happen from these wireless speakers, but the bass is not too heavy either. There seems to be a very nice balance across the tones out of this thing. This time I'm running a 3.5mm audio jack into the back of this speaker, and it does still sound absolutely awesome. It don't really matter what you say. I'm listening to you in a way. So this thing ticks all the boxes for a wireless speaker that's well built and provides a good soundstage to fill a room easily. However, there's no app that comes with it, so you can't tailor the listening experience to your individual needs. So for example, if you love more bassy tracks, then you can't increase the bass levels on this. You can't change the individual levels of say the mids or the lows to cater for that experience. You'll just have to listen to the sound quality coming out of this thing. You can't tailor it to individual needs. But that's just my observation and doesn't take away from the product. I don't tend to change the sound levels on any of the equipment that I have, just purely because I like to listen to the music as it was intended to be heard, without any artificial inflation of any other ranges. And with that being said, I think this thing provides great value for money. So as ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one. And if you use something different, do let me know down there as well. What do you use, and if it provides a good range of sound, and if you can tailor it to your needs. Please like, and if you're new, hit subscribe and hit that little notification bell. We've got plenty more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.